Introducing AryuSutra, which is AI-driven patient management and diet plan system. Here's the login page. You can directly log in using your mobile number or ABA ID. Being a patient. The dashboard of patient is about appointment fixing, prescription lab report, e-visits such as video call, and in the quick actions you can see the Prakriti analysis, billing system, treatment, meal tracker, find clinics, and so on. In appointments, you can check out the doctors to make an appointment with. In prescription, if you have a doctor already that has prescribed you some set of medicines to take, and in the lab report, whatever the your lab reports and the prescriptions and the rest of the information that are pushed by the doctor will be visible here. If you are unable to go to the hospital or clinic, you can use the e-visit or the video call features to pay and virtually visit the clinic with the doctor. In Prakritic Analyzer, user will be asked some set of questions to understand its Prakriti that are either Vat, Pitta or Kapha. In treatments, you can check out directly pay, book a session with any doctor of Ayurveda Panchkarma. In the Fine Clinic, you can make an appointment to nearby clinics or hospitals that are Ayurvedic or Panchkarma supportive. It's all about patient. Let's go to the doctor section. Doctor is an important entity of the software system. Its data will be inserted by the admin or the clinic of the patients to avoid security threats. This is the dashboard of the doctor. You can edit your schedule whether you are available today or not. List of your patients, schedule, prescription, lab report, medications, video call visits. You can view and prove the diet plan of the patient based on its issues. Messaging with each patient make it interactive and you can push notifications. You will always get a feedback in a loop by the patients. For more details, check the terms and conditions in our website. Thank you so much.